Assalamualaikum guys, welcome back to my another video. I hope that you all are well. So today I will told about Gateio startup. So I hope you all are know about startup, but many people also did not know about startup. So for going to startup, at first you need to click on this button. Then in the second option there are startup. Simply click on it. After clicking on it, you will come in this page. So from here you can join startups. At first you need to know what is airdrop. So airdrop is a method used by blockchain projects to distribute free tokens or digital assets to users. Then I think you have another question: why participate in airdrop? Free tokens, receive new tokens at zero cost, early adoption, be among the first to own new tokens. Then we have the most popular question: what is Gateio startup? So Gateio startup is one of the most popular token launchpad and airdrop platforms in the world, where users can discover potential projects and receive token airdrops. Then how to claim free airdrops? So now I will show it. So for claiming a startup or airdrop, at first you need to click in this button. Then there are startup in the second option. Simply click on it. After clicking on it, you will come in this page. So there are many startups, so you can join any startup from here. For joining a startup, simply click on a startup. For example, in the right side corner you can see that in progress. So there are one startup in progress and also many other startup in progress. I already joined the startups. So for joining the startup, simply click on it. After clicking on a startup, you will come in this page. Then there are written that zero free to claim. So simply click zero free to claim. Make sure that your spot assessed minimum need 10, upper than 10. For joining or participate a startup, simply click I have read and agreed. Click zero free to claim. After clicking on it, your subscribe has been done. So like that, everyone first join the startup, and in the next time many startup will come. So after coming the startups, everyone first join and gain reward from here. Thank you so much guys for watching my video.